Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 15 Pro, but before I jump into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for the iPhone 15 Pro. This time I'll be reviewing some cases from Benks. They sent me out their new series case, the MagClap case. This one is New York City, and then they sent me out one in London, which is pretty cool. They have different cities on their website. If you want to check it out, I'll have links there. You can support the channel. Yes, I need to give them a big shout out for actually sending them these cases to me so I can review them. And why not review them right now where all the iPhone users are jumping for joy. They're getting more Android features with iOS, 18 or something. So a lot of the users right now are so excited. I mean, you see on Twitter and everything else. So why not review some iPhone cases right now? In this case review, I want to go over the overall fit. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lay down protection for your display? How strong is the MagSafe on here? You know, and just the overall look and design of the cases. Yes, I will have links in there in the description, so if you want to pick them up, like I said earlier, you can definitely do so from their website. Let's start off with the London case first. Shout out to everyone that's in London that supports the channel. It says mind over matter. Oh, mind over mouse, not matter. Phone case pattern. It's a nice presentation from them. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely pause it and read it. Let's see. Oh, it has some tape. Let's find a unboxing knife. All right, so I got it open. Again, nice presentation from Benks. Look at that. Man, that's pretty cool. Especially if you live in London or you're a fan of London. Maybe you're watching the Euros right now with all the soccer teams on there, England included. I think Germany just won a game today. But you do have camera protection. You also get some lip protection, not much. You definitely want to have a screen protector on here. Do not slam your phone down because the lip protection is very minimalistic there. Everything lines up. The power button works great. The volume rockers work. The magic button works too, I guess. Now it's not a cutout, it's just a little button there, which I guess is very important because I know in the past some companies think. And the overall fit and the overall like bulkiness of this case is not bulky at all. It's a very minimalistic case. Man, I actually like the grip on here too. Let's see the overall fit. Not bad at all. A little loose on here around the cutouts, but that's a lot of cutouts though. But and how hard is it to get off? Yeah, you look. You can hear it. You can hear it and feel it that it actually fits really good on the edges there. So you don't have to worry about your phone just popping out when you drop it. But I mean, London, if you're in London or you like London, it's a great case. Maybe they will make more cities. But, I mean, the overall feel, it feels good in the hands. Pause. Now, how strong is that magnet? Let's see. It passes the Forbes Tech Reviews test, so, I mean, it's pretty... Oh, the phone went flying. My charger went flying. So, yeah, if you like MagSafe, I think you have a strong magnet on here. Oh, that is definitely strong. So let's try out the New York City one. The fit on the New York one should be the same. It's the same case, just with a different city on it. But here's that one. Let's see. Now, if you're from the States, maybe you like New York a lot. Maybe you want to pick up this one. It kind of glows like the gold there, depending on the light hitting it. That's actually pretty cool. And then it's kind of clear on the sides here. I mean, everything lines up, the same fit. Actually, this one might fit a little bit better right here. But, I mean, the fit is good, too. You get the same camera protection. Have that same logo there. Man, which one is your favorite? This one, the New York City? Or do you like the London one? Y'all let me know. Shout out to Benks again for sending this out. This one, these cases are really nice. I like this one just because of the colors, but you know, a lot of people will like the London one. Y'all let me know in the comments if you made this for which case is your favorite. Also, if you want to pick it up, check out the links. I will definitely have the links there. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 15 Pro. Also, probably picking up the Pixel 8a soon. The Z Fold 6 is coming up too, so stay tuned to the channel. Follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews and just become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.